Explanation for the independent reading project. So this is option one. This is one of two options you have for the final exam. Once you've picked a project, you're going to remain with it the entire semester. So make sure you're looking over these instructional pages very closely and read the directions within the drop boxes for specific information about each checkpoint, okay? So as you complete your work for this final exam, you're going to be expected to have your work saved on the same document and work on it as we progress through the semester. Do not submit a different document for each checkpoint. So the goal is for you to see the progression of the story and your growth through this project. Okay, you're going to have 4 different check-ins. On Friday, January 24th, you are going to have check-in number 1 and get approval for the project. So you will submit slide 5 for this, okay? And this is and I'll go over that document here in a minute. Friday, February 21st is check-in number 2, and you will complete the part of the project that goes over the beginning third of your project or part 1 of your book, depending on what you're doing here. Monday, March 30th is check-in number 3, and that's the middle third or part 2 of your book. And finally, May 1st is the final check-in, and that is when everything is due. Okay, so when you should only have the final third of your book to complete, and you should have everything done. Okay, so here's the document that you will be using to complete this project. As you know by now, everything you need to do is on these slides, and then on the links are instructional pages that will help you guide you as you need it. Okay, so for the independent novel choice assignment, you will complete all work on these slides, and you will turn it in at various checkpoints. Okay, so you can work in Microsoft PowerPoint or you can work in Google Slides, but you have to complete them on these slides. Then you're going to select a novel that you're interested in reading. The author must be a British author. The book cannot have been made into a movie, miniseries, or TV or other program, so this needs to be your own thing. And I give you ideas here. Okay, so if you go here, you're going to see a whole list of books that you can pick from that that are helpful suggestions. Now, if you have something that is not in this list, that's not on this list that you'd like to read, then just submit it and make sure you double check the feedback, so that way I can you know if it's been approved or not. Okay. Then you're going to divide your novel into 3 parts. You'll have to focus questions and tasks to complete each part. So find clear breaks for each part. So each should end at a chapter or section end. So don't end in the middle of a chapter. Don't divide it by pages. Divide it maybe by chapters. So the first third will be referred to as the beginning, middle third, middle, last third, end. Okay? And on your document, you have these check-in dates available to you. Okay? Each part, sorry guys. Each portion has focus questions. So as you start your novel, think about these questions. What kind of person is the main character? How does the author reveal these characteristics? And then make sure you go back to these focus questions because they will help guide you as you complete this project. So this is the first thing you'll submit. That's that first checkpoint, and you're going to put your first and last name in this box and then delete this text. So if I tell you to delete this text, I don't want to see it when you submit it, okay? I will take points off for not paying attention to details. So you'll need to include the full title of your book, capitalize the important words in the title, put the publication year of the book and the title also, and then you're going to need to provide the author's full name in the box, and then you'll need to, under the name, include the author's date of birth and date of death if no longer living, and using just years is okay too, but I do want to see that. You'll need to put a picture of your author here and put the picture of the book cover here. So you can, to do that, you can just go to Google and you can easily do a search there. As you go through this, you will see a variety of questions for each portion of the book. When you see questions like this, you should be spending a significant amount of time replying to these questions, okay? I should not just see one or two sentences here. This is your final exam. I should see about a paragraph each for each of these. And then again, so then you'll have your middle third of the book and you'll have more questions that go over the motif of the book. And then you're going to have characters considerations and then author style. So you'll be analyzing the author's style in the middle third of the book. At the end of the book, you will analyze the mood, the theme, and you'll create a blackout poem. So this is the last step and the final product of your novel choice. And your goal is to create a blackout poem that captures the big idea of your book. So you'll select a full page of text from your novel and to use, and then make a photocopy of that page. And right here has more instructions on how to do this. But this will be your final product of your novel, and you will be expected to submit this. If you have any questions at all as we are going through, as we go through the semester, please do not hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much and have an awesome day.